Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. The smart URL for this video channel is Pass Actuarial Exams. You also have information here about the online seminars that I teach for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's problem number 5 from the first and recent exam LTAM. Problem number 5 from multiple choice section. You are given the following information derived from a sample of n equal to 20 lives with respect to a study of time to failure. And there are 4 instances where we have the data, so that's I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Yi corresponds to time when this happens, so 1, 3, 6, and 8. Si are observed numbers of the failure events, and Bi are any cases of censoring of data. And Si are 2, 3, 5, 6, and Bi are 0, 1, 2, 0. We are supposed to calculate S hat 20 of Y3, the Kaplan-Meier estimate of the survival probability, because Y3 is 6, so this is S of, it's really S hat 20 of 6, when Y3 equals 6, because Y3 equals 6. And this S hat is an estimate based on n equal to 20, that's why there's a subscript of 20, and it's an estimate of the survival function of the underlying distribution S of 6. Recall that the Kaplan-Meier estimate is obtained by multiplication of factors of the form 1 minus Si over Ri, with Si counting the number of uncensored observations of Yi, and Ri being the number at risk at Yi, and exposure measure. The censored data are in Bi. The only values we are not given are the values of Ri, the exposure measure. Everything else is given in the table that is in the problem. As I said, Y3 is 6, so we need to calculate the product S hat 20 of Y3, which is going to be 1 minus S1 over R1 times 1 minus S2 over R2 times 1 minus S3 over R3. R1 is 20, that's the initial number of lives. R2 is 20 minus 2, because of 2 departures, and that's 18. And R3 is 18 minus 3 plus 1, 3 departures, 1 censored piece of data, and that's exposure of 14. So we plug in those values, and S hat 20 of Y3 is 1 minus 2 over 20 times 1 minus 3 over 18 times 1 minus 5 over 14, and that's approximately 0.482142857, and that's answer C. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to a Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.